One customer, one problem, one solution, one platform. When you have those components together and dial in correctly, then you will see the result, better results on customer acquisition. You see better conversion rates. You can charge more. In this video, we're going to talk about how to actually start your own business, leveraging your experience, leveraging your knowledge, and come up with the right business strategy or right business model, rather, and start things moving. So, if it is the first time we're connecting, my name is Eugene. I'm a Korean business coach for tech professionals, also for service-based entrepreneurs, coaches, mentors, freelancers. So, starting your own business, it can be challenging, and there are a lot of distractions. But in this video, I would like to break it down to you, like really a roadmap, like from A to Z. And again, in this video, it's just a roadmap, and it's a lot more to it. So where do you start? Where do you start? I think if you have not started your business yet, and you're thinking about flying on your own, doing your own business, I would start thinking what expertise you currently have, what you are expert at. And how do you determine your expertise is like what people are coming to you for, not just your friends, not just your, like, I don't know, like people on social media, but really like where people come to you as a subject matter expert. It might be your experience in tech. It might be your experience with like, normally it is leveraging your professional experience at some sort, or maybe you have unique skill set that you can teach others how to do. So the first step is to figure out your zone of genius and like really like figure out the problem that you can actually solve. And this is essential because when I see a lot of entrepreneurs are doing, especially new entrepreneurs that have wealth of knowledge and experience, and they go left and they're trying to sell something that they have no business selling, something that they have no business to run their business on. So figure out what is your expertise. And to be clear, in this video, I'm talking about service-based entrepreneurship. When you provide some sort of service to someone, because they're different business model. I'm not talking about doing like, I don't know, affiliate partnerships and stuff like that. I'm talking about service-based entrepreneurship. This is my specialty. This is what I specialize in. So the second step is to define your ideal qualified customer. Not just ideal customer, because like there are many people you can help, but your ideal qualified customer. Who is qualified to work with you? Who can actually work with you? And this is why it is important to understand your ideal customer and understand those like qualifications. And it's not just like, oh, I work with software developers, or I work people who are trying to break into tech, or I work with anybody who needs a mobile app. Anybody who needs a web app. I work with small businesses. No, you have to break it down into specifics. Let me give you an example. For example, if you are a freelancer, and let's say you are building mobile apps, you can say that I am a freelancer and I'm working with local dental clinics who need mobile app to schedule appointments and interact and communicate with their customers. It's a lot more specific, and you know who to market, and then you break it down what their main problem. The main problem is communication. So it's a lot of phone calling. It's a lot of like maybe like emailing back and forth. So it's a lot of manual labor. So you want to make it a little bit more instantaneous, or it's just an example. So, and you provide them a solution. You're solving a problem. You're not selling them a mobile app. Here, like, this is what I want you to understand. You are not selling them React. You are not selling them Angular. You are not selling them Swift UI. You are not selling them UI Kit. You are selling them a solution. They don't care how you solve it majority of the time, but they care about solution, right? And if you're a service-based entrepreneur, let's say you have a wealth of knowledge, and let's say you can mentor somebody. Like, let's say you have experience in software development and you know how to make really good career moves, and you can mentor somebody to go to the next level. So then you define your ideal customer. For like my example, I help mid-level and senior level software developers, QA engineers, program managers to find their profitable niche, because this is what I'm really good at. I know how to find profitable niche, establish their authority in that profitable niche by strategic networking and content creation, and maximize their earning potential. How? Because you narrow it down to a specific niche. You put yourself out there by creating content and strategic networking, and you are going to get top salaries in tech. So that's just another example where maybe you're really good at helping people to break into tech. So you help many people, well, not many people, but you help people to break into tech. You know you do it well. So I help who? Also, like people, I think it's also important to kind of specialize on who do you help break into tech. Like either minorities, or like they're people with from diverse backgrounds, or I'm helping like college graduates to land their first internship. Whatever it is, like the level of specificity is important. Now, next step, the problem that you are solving. What problem you are solving? Because you can solve many problems, and you might think that your niche, your ideal customer, has many problems. They may or may not, but you are solving one problem, and it can be challenging. But also, that one problem might have many symptoms. So you can talk about the symptoms, but you're solving one problem. And now, once you identify your ideal qualified customer, you identify your zone of genius, what you can actually deliver. Like, what is your vehicle? How you gonna deliver the service? Either it's through freelance, like done for you, or what have you, or mentorship or coaching, or digital course, whatever it might be. So like once you define what it is, then you define your ideal qualified customer. Then you identify your one problem, and you provide one solution. You want to standardize your solution, and your standardization normally will come after you land more clients. So, but like you wanna thrive to provide one solution, or like somewhat like concise solution. You might have to like try different things, but like you provide one solution. And now marketing. If you don't know how to market yourself, if you don't know how to put yourself out there, which last Tuesday I was talking about why you might fail at entrepreneurship if you are struggling to land a job. And I ruffle some feathers, y'all. If you haven't watched it, watch it. But like what I was really talking about is marketing. Because a lot of professionals, a lot of tech professionals, they struggle with marketing themselves and marketing their services. And how do you market? You market on one plot when you're starting out as one platform. Pick a platform where your customer is at. It can be Instagram, it can be Facebook, it can be YouTube, it can be LinkedIn. I work on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is my main platform. YouTube is my video hub, and YouTube is how I connect, how I spread the news, how I spread the word out there. But the platform where I'm connecting and where my leads are coming from, majority of my leads come from LinkedIn. I might pick up somebody on Twitter or X rather right now, but my main platform is LinkedIn. So, one customer, one problem, one solution, one platform. When you have those components together and dial in correctly, then you will see the result, better results on customer acquisition. You see better conversion rates. You can charge more. And let me finish by different business models. So you can go high volume, low ticket. High volume, low ticket, and this is a different. This is a different marketing strategy. This is a different business model, and normally it requires the same amount of work than low volume and high ticket offer. So I like my preference, because like both can work. You can sell your course at the low ticket offer, and you can massively sell your books, courses to a bunch of people, but it will take you time to grow that audience, to grow that like list of customers. So, but with the high ticket offer, which I specialize in, you can make more with working with fewer customers, with working with fewer clients. And this is a different marketing. This is and it also allows you to run your process very lean. So that's different business model. High ticket, high ticket, low volume. High volume, low ticket. So like two different business models. So I hope it helps. Let me know in the comments what questions you have, and if you are thinking about breaking into entrepreneurship, serving like more one-on-one customers, or starting your freelance business or coaching business, hit me up. I'm running my 30-minute mini coaching session. You can grab the link in the description box, fill out the form, or better yet, connect with me on LinkedIn, and just shoot me a message that you're interested in my 30-minute mini coaching session. Peace.